Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore and discover the crypto market and check out asset details on the bitcoin.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the second icon down below. Here you have two sections, markets and overview. If you tap on the first section, markets, you are going to see 3 assets. And if you tap on one of these, you are going to see a chart, the balance here at the top, and you are going to see asset details. Here's a text about it. If you tap on the read more button, under the article you are going to be directed to a page where you can read more about Bitcoin and the asset type. Here is the hourly prediction. There is a chart again. Here is the next support and resistance, the current price, support and resistance. And if you want to dive deeper, tap on the dive deeper button down below and you will be directed to another page where you can read about this asset type in more depth. As you can see, there's a bunch of important information and details. So if you go back to the previous page, you can check out the overview here, a bunch of important data. You can check out top movers and the supported assets as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.